So once you have created and opened up this blank canvas, right, I'm going to show you the magic or the hard work behind creating these kind of stunning funnels and websites. Well, I'm not just going to show you as to how to drag and drop and literally create this entire thing, but I'm also going to explain you, right, the reason of what we are doing and why we are doing so. You'll be able to understand the marketing, the copy, and the layout, which will help you understand that, okay, why this is so important and why you should do something like this way, right? So you are going to learn and pick my brains while we are learning this entire thing from somebody who has created over 400, right, funnels and sites on high level, right? That number is pretty huge, and I hope that this is going to help you to move a bit further in your life, in your goals, and in your business. All right, enough of marketing and enough of stuff done. Let's get into actually creating it. Before we get started, I'm going to give you an overview as to what exactly this canvas looks like, what exactly these icons, what exactly they do, and then we're going to go into building this step by step. All right. So as you can see, the first things first, GoHighLevel just introduced auto save. It was not available earlier. This is a brand new feature. I guess it was just introduced a day or two ago. And this is pretty interesting because earlier you had to have the save button, but now it auto saves within seconds the moment you make any changes, which is what I like. This is awesome. Apart from that, now as you can see, the first thing that you will be able to see is called an add element, right? I hope you can see that. Now, when you have add element, when you click on it, it kind of gives you a lot of options, right? First is going to be the sectionals, right? So we're always going to use a full width section. We're not going to use any kind of wide or medium or small. The reason is very simple. We, as a funnel designer, as a website designer on high level, the pros ones, right, out there, especially the ones who are watching my videos, right? I want you guys to use the full width because I want you guys to have the total control on the entire surface or real estate available on this particular screen, right? And that's exactly why we're going to use full width, even if we're not going to use it, even if it's not required, we're still going to use full width. And if you have to make it shorter, we're going to use our rows and columns for all those purposes. But for now, let's use full width right here, right? Let's see as to what else do we have. We have rows, super important. We're going to use rows and columns as well. So I won't give you an introduction as to what we're going to do later on, but let me help you understand as to what exactly are these. Then we have elements, where this is basically where you drag and drop every single details of the elements that you can add, whether it's header, whether it's any kind of text, any kind of form, blogs, media. If you want to have any kind of custom values, which basically custom codes, calendar, countdown, literally everything. GoHighLevel has a lot of these kind of elements.